Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make some porridge or uji. As you can see here, we have the ingredients that we are going to use. There are only 3 or 4 plus the water. So here we have a half a tablespoon of cinnamon. Right here we have half a cup of wimbi flour. As you can see right there, I'm using formula. And then we have some sugar here. I haven't measured. I'll measure as we cook. And then here we have some cold water that we are going to use for the mixing. So for starters, what we're going to do is take the cinnamon and add it to the flour. Mix it up. And then add some water and make a thick paste out of it. And when you hear that sound, it's my water that's boiling right over there. We're going to add this paste mixture, the uji mixture with the cinnamon, and then we add it to the boiling water right over there. So I'm going to mix this up and form a thick paste, and make sure you don't have any lumps. Make sure you don't have any lumps in it. Mine is becoming a little bit thick, so I'll add in some water. I'm going to mix this up and then come back. So the mixture has been well mixed. And now here I have my wooden spoon that I'll use to mix after I pour it onto the boiling water. And make sure your heat isn't too high, because everything is going to go so fast. But just make sure you have a wooden spoon to help you stir as you go along. So this is how my mixture looks like now. So I'm going to add all of it at once and then start stirring. The whole point of stirring is to make sure that you don't have any lumps that are formed in your uji, because everything just happened too quickly. So we stir it up and then make sure you mix it very well. Stir it for a couple of minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes, until everything thickens up. So here we are. My mixture is all mixed up and I like how thick it is right now. Everything is okay. So I'm going to keep stirring for about 5 more minutes or less, depending on how thick the uji is. And then after that, I'm just going to let it cook for about 10 more minutes. And then in between that, just before it gets to 10 minutes, you're going to add in your sugar. And then it's ready. It's going to be ready. So I'll leave this to simmer for the next, let's say, 7 minutes. So it's been about 7 minutes and my uji smells really nice. It's because of the cinnamon. So as you can see, it's thickened up a bit more. Right now I'm going to add about 5 or so tablespoons of sugar. It's according to you, just put the sugar according to your taste. I like mine sweet, so I'm going to add 5. Those are 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then keep on stirring and let this cook. I like adding my sugar while it's cooking. That way it's easier not to go back adding sugar while you're drinking your porridge. So this is how I do mine. And if you would like, you could add some milk right at this point. Let it boil and then leave it for about 2 more minutes and your uji is ready to drink. So my uji is done now. I'm ready to serve it in my cup right here and enjoy it. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.